welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing a hair and outfit get ready with me, and it will be featuring my first wig. So I got this really cute blunt bob, and I finally got a unit in jet black, you guys. So this is a jet black unit. It's not that 1B color. It's this nice silky jet black color, and this is what the hairline looks like. We know that their units come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and look at all of this parting space, you guys. You get so much parting space with my first wig units. And here's a quick view of the inside of the unit. Basic cap construction, you can still see all of that parting space. And then this one did come with the elastic band already attached, and it is adjustable. And then this is the comb in the back. A few of you guys always ask me, how do you keep the wig down in the back? And it's with that comb. You just go ahead and either slide it under your braids or under your ponytail, however you have your hair underneath. And I was going to do the stocking cap method with this, but I was kind of in a rush and I was being lazy at the same time as well. So I just pulled my stocking cap as close to the front as I could, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put the unit on. You guys, look how bomb this unit looks. And now I'm just gonna begin cutting the lace. So I don't know why I keep trying to cut the lace with the razor while it's on my head. It does give you kind of a better look at the end, but it's just really hard for me to use this razor while the unit is on my head. It's way easier for me to do this while it's on the mannequin head, and I don't know why I keep trying to do this while it's on my head. So I did half the side with the razor, and then I cleaned it up with my little scissors, and then I went ahead and cut the other side just with my scissors. So this is what the unit looks like with the lace completely removed, you guys. And you could totally rock this as a glueless unit, but I did want to tack it down a bit. So I just did a simple method. I just went in with the free spray and I sprayed it right on top of the lace. I didn't put anything underneath, just right on top. And you want to go ahead and comb it in a bit, like kind of brush it in and make sure that the lace is saturated in the spray and kind of push it down. And then you just want to blow dry it a bit and it will be tacked down, you guys. But look how dark it got. All I did was change the battery in my camera from the clip before, and it got so dark outside, you guys. Like, I cannot with this daylight savings time. Like, I love when it stays light until like 9 o'clock at night in the summertime. Like, I love that so much, and this just makes me so tired. Comment down below if you feel tired as well when it just gets dark at 5:30. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and completely do that same method around the entire hairline, and then I'll be back. So now that I have my entire unit tacked down, I'm just going to go ahead and take this comb and I'm just going to comb through the front, kind of rake through and break up the crunch that the free spray may have caused. If you have a little bit too much crunch, you want to take a little bit of oil and just rub it over the top, but try not to get the oil on the actual lace part because you don't want anything wet there because it will lift up. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and rake that through and make sure it's nice and soft in the front. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of this Cream of Nature mousse and just kind of slick down the front and the parting area. I mean, not the front, the top and the parting area, just to get it to lay really flat and really smooth. And then I'm just gonna cut the ear tabs, not the ear tabs, but like the sideburn pieces, just a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with my Lovely Bees Edge Control and do my edges. I didn't cut any baby hairs out. I'm just using the little hairs that are in the front. And I'm just going to go ahead and do like some cute little swoops how I would if I was wearing my real hair. Nothing crazy, nothing too dramatic, just like edges and not baby hairs. And then I'm going to take my foundation powder and just go over my parting area and go over the hairline a bit. And that was a quick and easy meltdown, you guys. I can go ahead and give you guys a close-up 4K view of what the edges and the hairline looks like, you guys. It looks so good. And look at this parting area again. It's so much parting space. And I'll go ahead and do a few slow-mos for you guys. And then we can get into my outfit that I wore. So for outfit, I ended up pairing my black Yeezys with this dress that I got from boohoo.com. It's a nice little camel color and it says authentic on it. It has kind of like half of a turtleneck and a nice little slit on the side. It's super stretchy and it fits super good. And then I also got this taupe color cropped puffer jacket. So it's like half cropped and it's a little bit longer in the back, but it's super soft and super cute. And then I just went ahead and put on my Gucci belt bag. And yeah, I just threw this outfit together, you guys. This is actually from my recent Boohoo haul. I'll go ahead and leave that down below in the description box, along with any links to any of the outfits, coupon codes for the wig, and direct links as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.